美式英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。I feel sick.
I feel sick.
我感觉恶心。I feel sick.
I feel sick.
When can you leave the hospital?
When can you leave the hospital?
你什么时候可以出院？ When can you leave the hospital?
When can you leave the hospital?
Thank you for coming to see me.
Thank you for coming to see me.
谢谢你来看我。Thank you for coming to see me.
Thank you for coming to see me.
Take 2 tablets 3 times a day.
Take 2 tablets 3 times a day.
每天3次，每次2片。Take 2 tablets 3 times a day.
Take 2 tablets 3 times a day.
How do I take this medicine?
How do I take this medicine?
这个药怎么吃？ How do I take this medicine?
How do I take this medicine?
Can I get this prescription filled?
Can I get this prescription filled?
我能在这配这个处方吗？ Can I get this prescription filled?
Can I get this prescription filled?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
你怎么啦？ What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
你哪里不舒服？ What's the matter?
What's the matter?
How long have you been like this?
How long have you been like this?
你这样多长时间了？ How long have you been like this?
How long have you been like this?
Did you have this experience?
Did you have this experience?
以前有过这样的情况吗？ Did you have this experience?
Did you have this experience?
You'd better get a checkup.
You'd better get a checkup.
你最好做个检查。You'd better get a checkup.
You'd better get a checkup.
Let me examine you.
Let me examine you.
我来给你检查一下吧。Let me examine you.
Let me examine you.
I am coughing all the time.
I am coughing all the time.
我一直咳嗽。I am coughing all the time.
I am coughing all the time.
My right arm is sore.
My right arm is sore.
我的右胳膊疼。My right arm is sore.
My right arm is sore.
I can't see anything clearly.
I can't see anything clearly.
我看不清楚任何东西。I can't see anything clearly.
I can't see anything clearly.
I have a serious headache.
I have a serious headache.
我的头很疼。I have a serious headache.
I have a serious headache.
I think I have a fever.
I think I have a fever.
我觉得我发烧了。I think I have a fever.
I think I have a fever.
The food in the hospital is awful.
The food in the hospital is awful.
医院的食物很难吃。The food in the hospital is awful.
The food in the hospital is awful.
I don't feel like eating anything.
I don't feel like eating anything.
我什么都不想吃。I don't feel like eating anything.
I don't feel like eating anything.
I will get free medical care.
I will get free medical care.
我享受公费医疗。I will get free medical care.
I will get free medical care.
Do you pay by yourself?
Do you pay by yourself?
你要自己支付医疗费用吗？ Do you pay by yourself?
Do you pay by yourself?
Have you been registered?
Have you been registered?
你挂号了吗？ Have you been registered?
Have you been registered?
The registration is free.
The registration is free.
免挂号费。The registration is free.
The registration is free.
Dr. Black is fully booked this week.
Dr. Black is fully booked this week.
布莱克医生这周的预约已经满了。Dr. Black is fully booked this week.
Dr. Black is fully booked this week.
Do you have medical insurance?
Do you have medical insurance?
你有医疗保险吗？ Do you have medical insurance?
Do you have medical insurance?
I want to have a foot massage.
I want to have a foot massage.
我想做个足部按摩。I want to have a foot massage.
I want to have a foot massage.
I don't know my skin type.
I don't know my skin type.
我不知道我的皮肤类型。I don't know my skin type.
I don't know my skin type.
Your skin looks very sensitive.
Your skin looks very sensitive.
你的皮肤看起来非常敏感。Your skin looks very sensitive.
Your skin looks very sensitive.
Don't use soap to wash your face.
Don't use soap to wash your face.
不要用肥皂洗脸。Don't use soap to wash your face.
Don't use soap to wash your face.
Do you want your cuticles cut?
Do you want your cuticles cut?
指甲周围的表皮要修吗？ Do you want your cuticles cut?
Do you want your cuticles cut?
I want my cuticles cut.
I want my cuticles cut.
我想修剪一下指甲周围的表皮。I want my cuticles cut.
I want my cuticles cut.
Which shape do you prefer?
Which shape do you prefer?
你想要哪种形状？ Which shape do you prefer?
Which shape do you prefer?
Do you like it be round or square?
Do you like it be round or square?
你想要圆形的还是方形的？ Do you like it be round or square?
Do you like it be round or square?
Do you want painted nails?
Do you want painted nails?
你想要彩绘指甲吗？ Do you want painted nails?
Do you want painted nails?
This is nail care.
This is nail care.
这是指甲护理。This is nail care.
This is nail care.
How would you like your hair cut?
How would you like your hair cut?
你想要什么样的发型？ How would you like your hair cut?
How would you like your hair cut?
What hairstyle do you want?
What hairstyle do you want?
你想要什么发型？ What hairstyle do you want?
What hairstyle do you want?
I just want to trim.
I just want to trim.
我只想修修。I just want to trim.
I just want to trim.
Do you want to thin out the top?
Do you want to thin out the top?
你想要把头顶打薄吗？ Do you want to thin out the top?
Do you want to thin out the top?
I like big waves.
I like big waves.
我喜欢大波浪。I like big waves.
I like big waves.
I'd like to dye my hair.
I'd like to dye my hair.
我想染发。I'd like to dye my hair.
I'd like to dye my hair.
What color would you like?
What color would you like?
你想要什么颜色？ What color would you like?
What color would you like?
Do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies?
你有爱好吗？ Do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies?
What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
你空闲的时候会做什么？ What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching films best.
I like watching films best.
我最喜欢看电影。I like watching films best.
I like watching films best.
I'm interested in basketball.
I'm interested in basketball.
我对篮球感兴趣。I'm interested in basketball.
I'm interested in basketball.
Do you like playing sports?
Do you like playing sports?
你喜欢做运动吗？ Do you like playing sports?
Do you like playing sports?
It is my favorite hobby.
It is my favorite hobby.
这是我最大的爱好。It is my favorite hobby.
It is my favorite hobby.
She is a fan of football.
She is a fan of football.
她是一个足球迷。She is a fan of football.
She is a fan of football.
I like skating in the winter.
I like skating in the winter.
冬天我喜欢滑冰。I like skating in the winter.
I like skating in the winter.